Yeah, just come on, so you just turn it, give me. Turn it on video me now. Alright, so it's another day in the lockdown. This is like this is second week, but this is like 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5th day? 5th day of lockdown, but it's 2 weeks in a row. So we've been doing this series called Lockdown the Bartender. So we just put up 2 episodes, episode 1, episode 2. So this is the 3rd episode. Hopefully it is the 3rd and final episode, because we don't really do episodes like that, but this one is not going too bad. So I keep the theme of the whole lockdown, because people need something to watch. We just post one this morning and it's not going too bad already. It's supposed to at least probably around 4,000 views already in less than 2 hours, and that's good. People need something to watch, and you know, people been calling us and telling how they love what we do, and we appreciate those calls. We appreciate the fact that people take the time out to watch what we do. So throughout the whole process, my life is going behind the scenes of what we do, so you guys can be entertained and informed as it pertains to what we do. Thanks to Elaine for helping with the camera. I don't really start shooting nothing with it yet, because you know I still wait to get the right opportunity to use it. Thanks to her for this phone where I use the recording right now also. You don't know, we try to keep everybody informed. So big up on yourself. Thanks to everybody who continue to support what we do. And remember to subscribe, share, and like. Alright, don't cut in a big pass the phone, you see me. Alright, so I go up here, so Popeye then up here, so. So Popeye, you come from under that tree, so you come. Alton. Stop right there, so. Stop right there, so, Popeye. You want it up there, so? I shade, but I want to shoot nice shade. Shoot that, so. So I want to shoot nice sun. Alright, make you go up there, so then. Alright, so I record behind the scenes, you know, so I don't know where that go. No, this?
Yeah.
No, so behind the scenes, you know behind the scenes channel? Yeah, BTS, yeah.
So they get like one in the same year.
Yeah, people watch them. People like this what go on. I'm not shoot us yet. Yeah. Alright, so Papa, man, you want to shoot nice sun, dog. Alright, go power and walk come now. Me just say, make them walk from in the sun and come in the shade, come talk.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah.
Right,
What more? What more?
Anybody out here can sponsor with some bleachings?
That you want. Alright, so just get a shot with them and walk from us and then catch them from behind.
What one I want? Ready.
Alright, start walk. Come out that way, come that way. Stop, I'm going to catch them from back here and then catch them front way, walk on that shade. Alright, stop from this now, stop. Man, I complain about things, but if you carry a boat.
Let me not catch it.
So, you see officer, the officer them shoes. One have on one kick me, kill me, and one have on one slippers. So him slippers wet up and him get a shoes from a white girl on the beach. Alright, just stop this one, stop this one. Stop this one.
No.
Come down, you can walk, come down a little further, man. Alright, start right here, so.
Yeah, stop right there, sir.
Stop right here, so. So when you stop right here, so him will just cut and come crossway, come start get the conversation.
Ready?
So as I reach up, you can say, yo, make we tap us, man, I'm tired. You can see that TV.
Yo, make me stop customer, I'm tired.
Tired.
Alright, cut and go. Stop. Stop. Yeah, you can say Papa, I didn't sit here and do every day, you know. So you say about that again, so make we tap us, man, and you say, yeah, right. Ready.
What can I say?
Yeah, just step back a little bit and come back in the same position. Ready.
Yo, make me stop customer, I'm tired.
You might something I want me to do every day while in the Palm Beach. look white girl. You see my friend? And that's how you get replaced out there, you know. Up there she gone and try to find a white man.
I said I don't like the police system, you know.
Hold on, cut.
Please.
Come cross. No, man.
No, I don't like
No, man. See where you got a team. You got a team. So hold on. No, children shoot that stop you with me up on the BTS. Oh, dog, you talk to. Go back down there, so. Alright, so here we are going to say now. Oh! So only make me get replaced.
Oh.
Brother, I mean, I like them type of work, you know. A beach me used to.
Yeah. Get the tip.
Get me tip.
Yeah.
Look pan white man.
Yeah. My shoes.
Yeah, all my shoes. Yeah, right. So, Papa.
Get shoes.
Alright, so.
We jump in that jail and one pair
Right.
of shoes.
Come, shoot cross here, I'm going to say that now. So you can say, oh, you make me get replaced.
Ready. Oh, and you let me get replaced. But I mean, I like them type of job here, you know. When I'm on the beach, you know, me get me tip and me can look white to man. Sit there and give me white shoes. Me like to be bossy. Me don't like the kind of job there. Walk up and down and look
Alright,
black.
when you say it again, you don't sound sure. You sound like a chip over your word. Come on again, ready again. Yeah, man, more confidence in a way I say. Like you're sure away I say. Same thing, but sure, like you're sure away I say.
Ready.
Ready now.
So you let me get replaced. Me don't like them kind of work here, you know.
No, I don't like them location.
Oh, I like them the location.
I don't work. You know, like them
Oh, them location.
Right. And you know, like, work them a type of place, or whatever you
I
want.
just said location. I don't like location and so. One
Yeah.
for white people.
Yeah, me like the way for white
I like the
people.
tourists on the beach location.
Right. Okay, love get a tip. Alright, ready now?
So you let me get replaced. Me don't like the location. Me don't like the work at them place here. Me like them on the beach around the tourists. Me get me tip. See them, I get white shoes. Me don't like work in them area. Yeah. You know, so me can't believe you, Officer Bo.
No, man, that's good. Come catch Papa now.
And JFOS, you want to nearly come to the
Right, so Papa, you can't say what you say. You're lucky, you love Palm Beach and get boat. Yeah, so me jump in a drain yesterday and wait up for my boat. No, and I was yesterday? Yeah.
You're lucky, you get both. Me one pair of shoes that me did have. When me hear shot, bye! We jump in the gym, sit there. Soup has never way. We can't even make soup to me like. Cause you see soup, every day soup come in, soup sit down and right. And he said man go to the bad man here and them got. You know next thing when we do soup, I go and call him and tell him man there and wife do away. And Max, yo, you think a boy if you run through shit Jane and them place there. And now sometimes I go home, you want to see me. And soup I live life. And I get more money than we. And we do the most dangerous work out there. Eh? You live on beach. You better tend out to beach, but my girl glad feet now because I can go get a white man. And I see one time, me ready, me I do put myself up there. Because I know how to do it.
Alright, good. Me don't know where you chat about today. You put yourself up there. Alright, so him again just sitting. What you want to say?
Just talk about the job and like where you can sell. You know what I mean?
Alright, so well, him can ask him, so what kind of money he can make, yes or no?
Well,
you
can get a slice of bread around that.
Yeah, well, make you say. Yeah, that's all.
You're going to make you know so what I know. I know me have some merchandise to sell. From that sell on the beach, you know. Like some look craft item, some look this and some look that. And me have it was some pound of weed.
Alright, so Mali.
Then just walk up and stretch out the hands and then get your name gone.
No, me like
No,
it
man.
because sell tourists.
We can do what we want to do. That's what we want. So, if we want police department, this, you know. So you tell him, say, when you can sell there, so.
Yeah, we have 5 pound of weed to sell. Kush. I know we buy it to jug load on the beach
No,
and go there. So.
when you can make one, I say, well, 2 slices of bread and rum. That's all. And a couple gunshot in a back road.
Roman bed and side gunshot. Roman bed and side gunshot.
Yeah, they can't tell him about it. So,
Don't do us in as a cup on the beach, guy. You can't take them on so. So one differently from that now. We there already. But one day I have to make a money. Because on the beach, you know, some could sell some weed or sell some this or sell some ash or anything where the boy them sell on the beach, take it from them and sell it back to it. You know what I mean? Easy. We'll work on there, so. And sell it back to
mm-hmm. So you ask, you start from which project where you can sell it, so. And tell him where you make dope on the beach.
So, Officer J-Pop. J-Post. Oh, ready? So, Officer J-Post.
Come back again.
J-Post, right?
You don't have to call his name, man. You don't have to call his name.
Mr. J Post. So, Mr. J Post.
No, you don't have to call his
Over
name.
there, sir, already, man.
Alright.
Like over there, sir. That's man, sir.
We're there already, man. So how hustling go? Cause when me dey on the beach, you know, me can hustle tourists now. Them man they will walk and sell on the beach. Me take what they have and sell it back to the tourists. So me make my money and me can get the tip and so. How hustling go right in a fear area?
I said, yeah.
Yeah, man, like that. Pull up your pants first. Yeah. Alright, you ready, Alton?
So what are they?
Ready.
Well, this is the getting, you know. All we do, we get 2 slices of bread, round us and rum, and just sight some gunshot because we are telling you, you see, round here, so every day shot fire. So when you round here, survive for 2 little slices of bread, you see a full boy a pass round with them bag, I come from a supermarket and I lock them. I don't know which spot they go find bread to buy, but sometimes I'm glad because you see all the rum, bartender along so she there yard, you know, but she have a stack of rum there, you know. So right now, if we care, go down there, we get rum.
But I barely hear it for.
Well, me not have nothing to do in the force. What me I do? You see country broke down.
Alright, me I show you how hustling go. Me I teach you, me I bring you.
Alright, so you can yeah.
Bring him back. Country broke down.
Yeah, you can do it right there, so start back and make it. I waited the first one when I part with you talk. Right, you say you can get a close up shot of TV to change the angle. Let's get a closer shot time. Oh, so your belly I live for. Me tell you.
You go in the car now. Run go, sir. And like yeah. Or if you come down and then you spot them and I reverse.
And then tap him.
Run on 5.
Oh, run off him. Okay. I already know. No, man, we're not ready for him yet, man. We're not ready for him yet. Done the conversation at first.
Come on the car. No reason not talking.
No, man, no catch him, Alton. Done with the conversation first.
Go in the car now.
We're not ready for you yet, man. Come, we close this up. Come.
Close the man.
So your belly you live for. Alright, now I'll show you how hustling go.
Wait.
Tap your eyes. Come again. Come again. Come again, TV.
So your belly you live for. Alright, here you go. Now I'll show you how hustling go. I'll show you my way, how we make money.
Alright.
Look around.
Wait. Come wider. Popeye. Shoot from Popeye. Make Popeye respond to him, I say. But while you respond, you see him. Right, you look around and see him. Alright, start walk.
Start walk.
Ready?
You never see them. Don't
Yeah,
look
shoot.
like you see
Wait, shoot from the angle you can see up the road.
Come on, fast. Run. Come
Yeah,
on.
right. Shoot from the angle now. Hold on. Nah, I see him.
No, look at if shoot from side now. And he run. Come
Nah,
on.
I see him.
No, man. Yeah, that may I say. But picture him run. Come on now, because I don't want him from 4. Listen now.
You know, I see him, man.
Listen now. I don't want to fan so. But the camera, you see me at that. Welcome one corner and come